Once again.
Alright guys, I'm gonna make some candle holders or centerpiece, and to start off I got these from the Dollar Tree, and I have some acrylic paint. You can get them from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store, and I just have a makeup brush and I'm gonna paint it. Not too much. And all you want to do, you mix the paint, because after I'm going to add some glitter, and you want to go ahead and paint it. But I'm not going to paint the neck part. I'm gonna paint the entire thing, guys, and I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna come right back. I paint this already and it's dry now. Now I'm gonna add some glitter to it. You're gonna need your Mod Podge, and I have two kinds of glitter. This big one is from the dollar store, and this refined red glitter is from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use one candle holder here. It's from the Dollar Tree. And now I have these beautiful rhinestone here. There are two different sizes. You need your glue gun and some glue sticks, and let's get into the video. And I'm just gonna paint the entire thing and add my glitter as I go along. Now what I'm gonna do, this refined glitter, before it's dry, I'm just gonna take my time and I'm gonna sprinkle it all over it. Just like that. I'm gonna continue to do it, and then I'm gonna put it to dry. What this does, it's just fill in all those little spots that the bigger glitter didn't get. This part of my candle holder is dry. Look at it, how pretty it is. So on this small one, guys, I'm gonna use these half bead, and I'm gonna line the bottom up. And then in the middle of those, I'm gonna put one single one. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I add one single one, but I don't put it to the end. I put it in the middle, and I'm gonna do the rest of them, and then I'm gonna come back. Look how beautiful, simple, and nice. Now I'm gonna take some of these gems, beautiful red gems, and I'm gonna place them. I'm gonna place them on top, just like that. I'm gonna set this aside for a minute. I have two of these, and I'm gonna use them, and I'm gonna bling out the top part. Now it's like this. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna separate them, and I'm gonna add one in between, just like that, right around. So this is where I'm at. Now I'm gonna go in between with the smaller ones. I'm gonna separate them, and I'm just gonna fill the spaces. Just like that, guys. I'm gonna finish it up, and then I'm gonna come over. And so my peeps, this is it. Beautiful and nice. All right, the next step now, I'm gonna take this one, put it right here. I'm gonna use some E6000 and some of my got to be glue, and I'm gonna glue it on. And I'm gonna place it in the middle. Just like that, guys. I'm gonna clean it up and then I'm gonna show you. This is the final result. Glamorous, elegant, and nice. Look at my bling on the top, guys. Yes, yes, I'm loving it. Wow, wow. This is good for Valentine's, good for Christmas. It is good for a gift, centerpiece, candle holders, whatever you want, guys. Look at that. And I add my 2 little tea light candles at the side. Woo-hoo. If you want romance, yes, yes, yes. Isn't it beautiful, Sonny? You like it? All right, my daughter says she likes it. All right, guys, this is the final result. I love it very much. You love it? Wow, she said she loves it. All right, guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed.